In 2009, when the CNN heroes met me and the volunteers pushing the carts, people were laughing at us. They would discourage us. They would say that it's just a waste of time.
The CNN Hero of the Year is Efren Peña Florida.
But after CNN Heroes featured us, it changed everything.
You are the change that you dream, as I am the change that I dream. And collectively, we are the change that this world needs to be. Mabuhay!
Efren says the hero's recognition came at a time when he needed support more than ever.
After we were featured, people were like, you're doing a good job. It changed everything. It changed the perspective of a lot of people.
In a country where nearly a quarter of the people live below the poverty line, Efren's story of hope helped put a struggling population on the map. And as the world began to focus on the plight of children living in poverty, more kids got the chance to learn.
Whenever we go from one community to another community, children were like swarming around, running towards us. They were waiting for us, smiling, and they really has this hunger for learning.
Today, Efren's simple little cart and a team of passionate volunteers have brought education to an estimated 40,000 children around the world. Many of these kids were sold into prostitution, were working in garbage dumps, or had been coerced into gangs. And Efren is helping them learn and get back into school.
We gather all the children. We hold our programs here for healthcare, for feeding the children. And we have activity like school supplies giving. We have regular volunteers gathering, providing them encouragement, empowering them as much as we can.
Very good. Yan.
My life before was really a miserable life. I became a dropout student, and then I've been also in prostitution, in child prostitution, child labor. The Cariton classroom is not just a school for me, but also a family for me.
Ooh. Now next.
This year, in 1 month alone, Efren and his team got more than 1,200 kids from the streets back into the school system. And on top of decreasing the dropout rate in his hometown, Efren has made waves around the world. He's received awards, done television interviews, and was the focus of a TV movie. But Efren says that more important than the accolades are the results that his program has inspired.
When we started the organization, gangs, street wars are very rampant. We saw that there's a tremendous decrease of the issues of gangsters and gangs around, and we are glad that we're one of those people who help in making the place better.
Taking the pushcart classroom to new levels, Efren has recently teamed up with the Department of Education in the Philippines and with other international groups to replicate the pushcart classroom.
The Cariton classroom here in the Philippines is a symbol of hope and education. We have counted 83 replications all over the Philippines, plus we have 2 abroad in Indonesia and in Kenya.
1, 2, 3.
That crazy idea have gone a long way. It reached thousands of children and it touches their lives. We believe that education is a powerful tool. It can make someone's life become productive, and it can really change the world.
With prize money from CNN Heroes, Efren has also built new educational facilities. And in 2012, his group opened up a new high school, a solar-powered safe haven for high school students who've fallen through the cracks.
And factor of -6 is 2. That's good. We go from house to house and try to get high school students who still want to go to school but don't have the opportunity. So we give them a free education and help them graduate in secondary education. We're going to have our first batch of graduates in 2018, so we want to create a higher education program for these young people so that they can fulfill their dreams and hopefully get a decent job in the future. So, giving them an opportunity and helping them fulfilling their dreams. So that's, for me, it's more rewarding than other things.
Efren says his CNN Hero colleagues have also stayed close.
X minus 1 equals to 0.
When Typhoon Haiyan decimated areas of the Philippines in 2013, killing more than 6,000 and causing widespread destruction, Efren mobilized his own team to help in Tacloban, one of the hardest hit areas. He also issued a rallying cry to his fellow CNN heroes.
I contacted all my co-honorees and they responded. Doc Henley was there. He was able to bring water filters to each community. Robin Lim was there also to help pregnant women, and when the three of us met together in Tacloban, we're like Avengers coming together and help the community.
Today, Efren is 35 years old. He works on his project full-time and teaches a math class. He continues to push his cart.
Circular dapat. I was saved by this kind of program. I was encouraged to continue my education and love learning and embrace it. And that's what we are trying to share with these children. Not to give up on their life, not to give up on their dreams. And so we believe that education is a powerful tool to make these children become productive in life and help us help change the world. We're never too young to give back to society, and one is never too ordinary to be a hero.
Efren's work has come a long way since we met him, and kids all over the world are getting an education because of one simple idea. Do you know someone who should be named a CNN hero? Tell us about them. Nominations are now open at cnnheroes.com.